Using the dispenser option. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the dispenser option. Open the printer. Prepare your supply media. Remove the outer wrap from the new media roll to prevent contamination. Place the supply media in the roll holders. Verify the media sensor is in the correct location for your media. Press the media down under the media guides. Close the printer. Press and release the power button. Lights will cycle. When ready, the status indicator will be steady green. If green and blinking, the printer is paused. Press the feed button to exit pause mode. Next, calibrate the product for your media. Press and hold the feed button until the status indicator blinks off and on twice, then release. The printer will slowly feed and measure several labels. When calibration finishes normally, the status indicator will show steady green. Press the feed button to expose a label or two. Lift the liner over the top of the printer. Open the dispenser door. Insert the label liner between the dispenser door and the printer body. Close the dispenser door. Press and release the feed button one or more times until a label gets presented for removal.